Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to increase speed on Soundtrap. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to increase the speed of your project in Soundtrap. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to Soundtrap web app at soundtrap.com. Then log into your account using your account credentials. On the home page, on the projects, click on an existing project to open it by clicking on the studio button right next to an existing project, or click on Enter Studio to create a new project. In this tutorial, I'm just going to use an existing project. Once you're inside the studio, of course, this is open the Soundtrap Studio where you can now make changes to your project. Once you're inside the studio, at the bottom of the screen, you're going to see the tempo displayed. It is located next to the key settings and the volume controls. What do I mean? At the bottom here, you can see the key and you can see the tempo. The tempo is the speed of your project measured in BPM. BPM means beats per minute. Now click on the tempo box to open the tempo settings. And you see a number. Default is typically around 120 BPM, which is here. So to increase the speed, just go ahead and click on the plus icon button or manually enter a higher BPM value in here, typically 180. So for example, to make your project faster, you can increase it to 140 or more. So once you're done with that, go ahead and click on confirm. After adjusting the tempo, go ahead and press play, which is here at the bottom of the screen, to listen to the project with the new speed settings. You'll notice that all tracks, including loops and recordings, will play faster as the tempo increases. You can continue adjusting the BPM to achieve the desired speed. The changes will apply immediately and you can continue editing your project as you wish. And once you're satisfied with the increased speed, make sure to save your project by clicking on File, which is at the top left corner of the screen, and selecting Save. And if you're ready to share or download your project, just go ahead and click on Export at the top right corner to save the final version of your project with the increased speed. If you're using loops in your project, increasing the tempo will also speed up the loops accordingly. So ensure that the loops match the new tempo, or you may need to adjust them individually. Increasing the tempo will affect any recorded audio tracks, making them sound faster and potentially changing their pitch. Of course, if you want to maintain the pitch while speeding up, you might need to use pitch correction tools or adjust the track speed in the stretch or time stretch options. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you are done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.